I want to wake myself up to it's not just what we do, but it's why we do it that is critically important.
Peter Greer has spent his professional life doing good work in the mission field. The president of Hope International leads a global fight against poverty. We caught up with him in Rwanda.
I'm part of a generation that has grown up believing that there are huge needs in the world and the church needs to respond. And so we've thrown ourselves into causes of social justice, we've thrown ourselves into missions, and we have been burnt out as a result. And I think a lot of this burnout comes because we have forgotten why we serve.
Charity and service have a dark side, and this is a message Peter Greer addresses in his book, The Spiritual Danger of Doing Good.
How do we run over our family or give our family our leftovers because we are too busy doing good work? How is it that we forget who we're becoming in Christ? Because we don't have time. We're doing such good things that we don't have time to grow in a real relationship with Christ.
Greer points out, those at work in the mission field are usually aware of their sacrifices of time, money, and even safety. But they don't expect to feel their motivation start to slip. It happened to him more than 12 years ago while giving blankets to poor refugees, left devastated after a volcano eruption.
And I remember that at that moment as I was giving away blankets that one of my friends was not far away snapping pictures. And I was not thinking about the individual in front of me. I was thinking about the pictures that were being taken and about the reaction that my friends back home were going to have when they saw these pictures of a masculine Mother Teresa giving away and serving the poor. And I was so hit by my own hypocrisy that I was not loving the individual that was in front of me. I was play acting for someone very far away.
And Greer warns spiritual dangers like that don't only happen on the mission field. They can hit right here at home.
And it doesn't matter if you're giving in your local church or you're giving internationally. I think the principles and the underlying issues are exactly the same. We give, we give, we give, we give, we give, and we burn out. And the question is, why is that? And I think part of it is because we buy into a lie that giving to God means that we go without ever resting. It means we go without ever being refreshed ourselves. And I don't think that honors God.
Ephraim Graham, CBN News, Kigali, Rwanda.